Okay, so now in problem number 3, we're going to see that it's a sequence and multiplying of 3. So 2 times 3 is actually 6. 6 times 3 is 18. And 18 multiplied by 3 is 54. So now we're going to go ahead and carry out the plan to see if this sequence and pattern that we've come up with, our plan, is correct. So 54 times 3 is what, class? 162. So 162, if you take note and multiply by 3, can someone give me the answer to 162 multiplied by 3? That is actually 486. Now 486 multiplied by 3 is what? You would come up with 1,458. Okay? So now, students, do we understand and see how we can use the Polyas problem-solving method? First, we have to understand the problem. What's being asked of us? Devise a plan, carry out the plan, and then we want to look back and reflect and check if the answer actually makes sense. I'm going to hand you a worksheet with a couple of problems for you to go ahead and work out on your own. I want everybody to get in groups of 4 first. As you do that, I will be passing out the worksheets. And on here, there's 4 steps, and they're the Polyas problem-solving methods. I want you to tell me if you understand the problem and how you're going to devise the problem, carry out the problem, and how you actually checked your problem if they were actually correct. Okay? So I'm going to pass out the problem solver steps and with the problems on the back of it, and then we're going to work out a couple of them together. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, students, so today we've actually learned how the Polyas problem-solving methods work. We use them into play, and we are going to now practice on how they are going to be used in the classroom. If at any time anybody has any questions, let me know. I'll be walking around the class. But for now, let's go ahead and practice that. Okay?
It's done. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It's 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Is that it?
Hold on.
No, it's still recording. No? Oh, okay. Go through it. I thought it was more like 6 minutes.
Yeah.
Is it dying?
I don't know. It won't do anything.